you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and I've got another grocery haul for you. Now today what I did, I bought my last essentials that I can't get from the food pantries, so I bought those today. I'm going to show you what I get, and then later on, with the next video, that's going to come up today, we're going to do a hoagie sandwich fast food dupe, okay, but the healthy version, all right? Come on, let me show you what I got and what I'm going to do with it. We're going to start from the left to the right, and I'm going to show you everything I got. And I'm also going to tell you how much I spent. Now, starting with that liquid gold, eggs. Hey, Uncle Chris got eggs, y'all. Let me show you. I got a dozen eggs for $3.49, which isn't bad. Okay? And they're good, big ones, too. Then I got some hoagie subs, mini ones, because we're going to do a hoagie dupe of fast food today, the healthy version. Instead of going out and spending all that money, we're going to spend our money better at home. Then I've got some garlic croutons because I'm making a salad. Love these things. They can also go on top of your soup, which I'm going to be making semi-homemade soup today. New England clam chowder. I'm going to show you that. Speaking of which, here's the can I bought. I got a chunky New England clam chowder soup. I'm going to dope it up, make it my own, and make it delicious with some croutons on top to go with my hoagie sandwich. Then back here, we got some condiments. Steak sauce to go with our steaks. Tomato ketchup. Love that. Did you know that ketchup is one of my favorite condiments? Love it. Then I've got some barbecue sauce because we're going to be barbecuing. Mother's Day is tomorrow. Yes, yes, yes. And especially I'm going to do that for my sister and also in commemoration of my mom. Love you, Mom. All right. Wonderful black olives to go in my salad. Love black olives. Low sodium soy sauce. Mild chunky salsa. Now, you could put this on eggs. It's not just for dipping. No, no. Of course, you can put it in your tacos, your burritos, and things like that. But eggs, oh, steak, oh, pork chops. Fry your pork chops, then put this on top of them and let it simmer. You've got a delicious meal, let me tell you. Also back here, I've got some milk for Javen. Then I've got tropical fruit punch. I'm going to use this to mix with my watermelon juice I'm going to make and spread it out. I'm also going to use this to make watermelon smoothies. This will just be the base, the liquid base. Then I got a whole gallon milk for cooking purposes and different things like that. Then down here, I've got some taco seasoning. I got 4 of them. And by the way, guys, this is the low sodium, 25% less sodium. Then I've got some cheddar cheese, sharp. Some spices, got onion powder, Italian seasoning. And then I'm going to try this smoky brown sugar grill seasoning. It had a low sodium content, so I'm going to try it out. I've got 2 avocados to make my salad, some spinach, because the spinach is going to be the basis of my salad. But I'm also going to use the spinach to go in my eggs, to go to the side with some steak and mashed potatoes. Ooh, you know. Cucumber. Not only is this going to go in the salad, but I'm going to take some of this cucumber and put it with my watermelon to make a watermelon cucumber juice. It's delicious. Wonderful. Then back here, I've got 2 blueberry yogurts. And I've got 2 strawberry yogurts. Love this. It helps settle my tummy. That's the grapefruit from the other day. We've already eaten all the others. Then I got some, well, okay, look. Everyone needs a treat now and then, okay? Oh, cheesecake. All right. I got 2 pieces of cheesecake. I've got some butter. They only had the salted kind, so I had to get it because I needed some. Then I got some cheese, American. And I got some wonderful cherry tomatoes to just sprinkle over that salad. I cannot wait. Along with some white button mushrooms. Now, I'm also going to saute some of these for my omelets, but the rest I'm going to chop up and put over my salad. Oh, and I might put some for my pizza, because I can still use those subs for pizza subs. That would be nice. Then last but not least, I have some lowered sodium bacon for breakfast. Put in veggies and soups and other things. Now, I'm just going to look at everything I got. And I'll let you guys know exactly how much I paid for everything. While Miss Shy tries to get in the camera. How much did I spend this time? $53. Yes, I spent $53, but I got all my basic essentials I need to make other recipes. So I can make a whole lot of things out of what I got back here. I got taco seasoning. I've got Italian seasoning. I've got things for breakfast. I got things for lunch. I got things for dinner. I got things for Jay. The list goes on. So keep in mind, once you get things from the food pantry, that will dictate what you need to buy from the grocery store. Ha. Now, like I said, we're going to do a recipe today to duplicate those nice, tasty subs you get out of, like, I don't know, submarine places, the hoagie places and all of that. But they can be really salty. So I've got low sodium meats I bought the other day, and I've got the other stuff I bought today. So I want you to go to the next video, which will be up in a few minutes. Like, comment, subscribe to this one. Okay? And also write to me at Uncle Chris, the food pantry chef at gmail.com. All right? Oh, and I also have some wonderful viewers' pics of the meals they've made to show you what to get, okay? Or rather, what to make. I'm so excited I can't get the thoughts together. Oh, by the way, check this out. You see these plants I got growing in back of me? This is a celery that I bought from the store and re-rooted. I'm going to show you how to make a semi-homemade garden. Get excited, nieces and nephews, because this summer belongs to us. All right. Next video, go check it out. Big love. Bye-bye.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking?